Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fatima, a clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. Welcome to our channel 9 Mantras and thanks for being part of our mission to educate million moms and moms to be. Today, let's talk about pregnancy weight gain. When you are pregnant, you get so much advice, right? Meena might tell you not to eat this while Sheila says to eat that more. It can be confusing, right? Some advice is good, but not all of it. That's why I wanted to share what typically happens with weight during pregnancy. We will look at normal patterns and what to expect. This isn't about judging or pressurizing anyone, it's just helpful information for your journey. So let's get into it and learn together about how our bodies change during this special 9 months. During pregnancy, weight gain is not only normal but necessary for the health of both mother and baby. However, the pattern can vary. Let's break it down by trimester. First trimester, typically one can gain for about 1 or 2 kgs and some women can even lose weight due to morning sickness. In the second trimester, weight gain typically accelerate. You can see an average weight gain about 500 grams per week. In third trimester, continued steady weight gain can be seen with an average weight gain of 500 grams to 1 kg per week. Remember, these are averages. Individual experiences may vary based on factors like pre-pregnancy weight, metabolism, and overall health. You might have heard of some myths multiple times and you must be following them blindly. So let me give you a few funny myths and it's very important to know how true they are. So let's debunk some myths. Eating for two means doubling your calorie intake. While you need extra calories, it's only about 300 to 400 additional calories per day in the second and third trimester. Myth number 2. All pregnancy weight gain is fat. Weight gain includes the baby, placenta, amniotic fluid, increased blood volume and breast tissue, not just fat. Myth number 3. You can't exercise during pregnancy. Most forms of moderate exercises are safe and beneficial during pregnancy. With your doctor's approval, you can go ahead. Myth number 4. Craving indicates nutritional needs. While some cravings may relate to nutritional needs, many are simply due to hormonal changes. Myth number 5. You must eat for your baby even when you're not hungry. Listen to your body, eat when hungry, but focus on nutrient-dense food. There are some things that you must consider with respect to weight gain. So the recommended total weight gain varies based on the pre-pregnancy BMI. Like for example, for women underweight, 12.5 to 18 kgs. For normal weight women, 11.5 to 16 kgs. For overweight, it's 7 to 11.5 kgs. For obese women, 5 to 9 kgs of weight gain is recommended. Gaining too little or too much weight can lead to complications for both mother and baby. Weight gain isn't always steady, it may come in spurts. Healthy eating and regular exercises can help in managing weight gain. After delivery, be patient with your body. It took 9 months to get there. Give it time to bounce back. Remember, every pregnancy is unique. Always consult your doctor about your specific weight gain goals and concerns. Focus on nourishing your body and your growing baby rather than fixing on the scale. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with other expectant mothers who might find it helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.